Meaning of handphone.
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 Handphone. The term handphone is commonly used in Southeast Asia to refer to a mobile phone or a cell phone. It is believed that the term originated from the way people would hold their phones in their hands while using them. Handphones have become ubiquitous in modern society, and are used for not only making calls and sending messages, but also for accessing the internet, taking pictures and videos, and running various apps. As technology continues to advance, handphones will likely play an even more important role in our daily lives and interactions with one another.